Suzuki Alto VXR 2006 registration 2007 urgent sale full original Hyderabad. Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, today I am bringing a budget-friendly and reliable car for those who are looking for a low-maintenance vehicle with clear documents. If you are searching for a car for daily use, family use, or office commuting, then this video is for you. Please watch till the end for complete details. Today's car is a Suzuki Alto VXR, model 2006, available in full original condition. Suzuki Alto is very popular in Pakistan due to its excellent fuel average, affordable spare parts, and easy maintenance. Let's talk about the condition of the car. This Alto VXR is full original, which is a big plus for a 2006 model. The body is genuine, and the car has been kept carefully. It shows that the vehicle has been properly maintained and not roughly used. Now coming to the ownership details. This car is a second to third owner vehicle, which is normal for a car of this age. The ownership record is clear, and there are no complications. The most important part for buyers is documents. Friends, all the documents of this Suzuki Alto are 100% clear and complete. The file is available, papers are clear, and transfer is smooth. Buyers can purchase this car with full confidence. Now let's discuss the engine and performance. The engine is in good running condition. The car starts smoothly and runs comfortably within the city. Suzuki Alto is known for its great fuel average, making it an excellent choice for people who want to save on fuel costs. The suspension and steering are decent, providing a smooth and comfortable drive. Brakes are working fine, and overall handling is easy, even for new drivers. Let's talk about the interior. The interior is neat and clean according to the car's age. Seats are in usable condition. The dashboard is intact, and all basic controls are working properly. This car is suitable for small families, students, and office use. Another important detail is the location. This Suzuki Alto VXR 2006 is available in Hyderabad, which is convenient for buyers from nearby areas. Now coming to the price. The demand is PKR 750,000. Considering the full original condition and clear documents, this is a reasonable demand in today's market. Friends, this is a good opportunity for serious buyers. Clean and genuine cars like this do not stay long in the market. If you are interested, please contact immediately. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz, and see you in the next video.